Here is a powerful, step-by-step Cash Talk Millionaires Club wealth plan designed to take members from zero to millionaire status within 6 to 12 months. Welcome to the Cash Talk Millionaires Club, CMC, an exclusive community of dreamers and doers turning TikTok creativity into real-world wealth. This step-by-step 6 to 12-month game plan is your roadmap to monetization success on TikTok. It's packed with motivation, emotion, and inspiring stories of creators just like you who went from obscurity to prosperity. By following this plan and leveraging the supportive CMC network, you'll be on track to write your own millionaire success story. Let's dive in. Phase 1. First 6 months. Laying your success foundation. 1. Cultivate a millionaire mindset. Month 0 to 1. Start with belief and vision. Embrace the mindset that you deserve success, and you will achieve it through consistency and passion. Many great TikTok journeys began with humble origins and big dreams. For example, Canadian creator Chris Collins was a hairdresser who lost her job in 2020. She started making funny TikTok skits and believed in herself. Fast forward, Chris, aka Call Me Chris, grew to 50.8 million followers and earned an estimated $4.75 million in a year. She proves that the right mindset and humor can transform your life. Draw inspiration from stories like Naomi Neo of Singapore, a young influencer who faced doubters but persisted. She revealed she earns a 6-figure income annually from her content. She even bought her dream Lamborghini at age 24 with her online earnings, silencing critics and motivating others who felt looked down on with her success. Your journey might start small, but think big, and know that every follower and every video is a step toward your first million. 2. Define your niche and personal brand. Month 1. Now, identify what unique value you bring to TikTok. Will you make people laugh, learn, or feel inspired? Choose a niche that aligns with your passion and skills, something you can happily create content about every day. Authenticity is your superpower. A great example is the UK's TikTok sensation, Francis Bourgeois, who turned an unlikely niche, train spotting, into a beloved personal brand. Francis was just a young man who loved trains. He started sharing his genuine joy on TikTok. People were drawn to his authenticity, and within months, he amassed over 2 million followers and 37.5 million likes. His wholesome videos even landed him a modeling partnership with luxury brands Gucci and The North Face, all because he stayed true to himself. Your takeaway: be real, be you. Whether it's beauty, comedy, tech gadgets, dance, or daily life vlogs, let your personality shine. Craft a catchy username and bio that reflects your niche. This is the foundation of your personal brand, and a strong brand attracts loyal followers. 3. Create consistently and hone your content. Month 2 to 3. In these early months, commit to a consistent posting schedule, at least 3 to 5 times a week, if not daily. Success on TikTok is a numbers game and a creativity game. The more quality content you put out, the higher your chances of a viral hit. But don't just post for the sake of it. Always aim to improve. Use this period to experiment with video styles, trends, hashtags, and find what resonates with your audience. Take inspiration from creators like Yunus Zaru in Germany. Yunus began TikTok in 2019 as a student and dedicated himself to making mind-blowing illusion videos every single week. His consistency and creativity paid off. Today, he has nearly 57 million followers on TikTok and is Germany's top TikTok earner. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Your first videos might only get a few views, and that's okay. Focus on making each video 1% better than the last. Sharper editing, catchier captions, better lighting, more you. Engage with those who comment and build a community, even if it's small. These early months are about finding your groove and growing your core fans. Keep at it, and by month 3, you'll likely see your follower count climbing into the thousands. 4. Engage, learn, and adapt. Month 3 to 4. By the 3-month mark, you posted dozens of videos. Now step back and analyze. Which videos performed best and why? TikTok provides analytics for views, likes, and audience demographics. Use this data to refine your strategy. Double down on what's working, and don't be afraid to pivot on what's not. Importantly, Engage with your audience every day. Reply to comments, join duets and stitches, and participate in popular challenges, but always with your unique spin. Being responsive builds a loyal fan base who feel connected to you. This kind of community engagement helped creators like Bella Porch, a Filipina American, skyrocket to fame. Your millionaire journey starts now.